Hey everybody, in this video we are going to review how to insert a link into your Instagram story. First of all, let's open up our Instagram. And then up at the top where it says your story, you should have a picture of your icon, your profile picture with the little plus sign. You're going to click on that. And when you click on that, it'll go straight to your phone gallery to the images that you may have. So I'm going to select this first one, and when you have it up here, up at the top, you'll see you have some icons. You have a back arrow, you see the capital A and the lowercase a, that's if you want to add text to your picture, and then you have a sticker, or you can add like a splash of color, but we're going to go to the sticker. When you go to the sticker, down here towards the bottom, you'll see the link sign with a link. You're going to insert your URL there. So we're going to go HTTP. Okay. And then you can come here and put your own text on the sticker. It doesn't have to be the link. So I'm actually going to type, click here, click here to see, wait, I'm going to put to visit my YouTube channel. And then I'm going to hit done. And there's your sticker. And you can move it around. See, I'm moving it around. And I'm actually going to move it right down here. Because see, I've already in my graphic put an arrow to give people the instruction to follow this link. And then you can click down here to your story. Share your Instagram stories and post to Facebook. And you can do that. You can post it to your Facebook. I'm going to hit not now, so I'm just, and it will upload, and there it is. See, when I click on it, it's still loading up. And there it goes, right to my YouTube account. So, it wasn't that hard. It's very easy to do. If you found this video helpful, please consider smashing that like button. You know, the YouTube gods love it. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content for Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Canva, Microsoft products. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.